guys. Right, today we're going to be fitting the clutch and the rest of the gear on our engine. So the clutch and the gearbox are going to go on this. So we're going to lower it down, get the flywheel on, get the clutch together, put all that on, and then we put the gearbox that's laid down here straight on there, and then we'll check the fluids and that, and hopefully we'll get it all in. Okay, let's get to it. Right, we're going to top this oil filter up. Some oil. Yeah. Smear a smudging around there. Let's, put that on there. Click. Little idea, use some tape around the mandrel because this has very big splines on this and I haven't got a tool that's equipped for it. So what we do is we put masking tape around it, put it on the tool, bingo, holds it in place. So hopefully that's in place there. Oh crikey, doors are slamming now. So right, now we get the pressure plate on. Right, as you see there's a tiny lip there, just there, about 1 millimetre. That's how far out it is, and that's the difference between not getting your gearbox and getting your gearbox on. So I've got a socket that's exactly the same size as the spigot itself. So if I look at that, you can just see it sticking out there, and that there doesn't go all the way through, and that there is the same size as my lathe shaft or main shaft. So I've got my own little setup here to winch it in. Just need to winch this side out a bit. Call this the one-man winch. Hopefully it's all set up straight. Not around there, like that. Don't get twisting. About there. Start a motor. enough apparently. Have a look. And this one. And do some realigning the gearbox. That's blanked off, that one. Touching over there. Twist it. Right. That's it. Right. Hi Mr. Lever, welcome back. And that's how you don't fit an engine on your own. Sweating cobs. Flatcap man, sweating cobs, use a 10. Oh. So, do you think I look smexy? Pigeons have brought me. Well, they've done a little job for me, and yeah, they've welded that up. Pigeons have just done that. Right then chaps, I've got it bolted up, so I'm using an M10 and an M8, which is quite sufficient to hold it up. I had to turn the plate upside down and do it from there, but otherwise it's in. So that's a gearbox bolted up. We have the prop shaft to put in. Right, so we've got the rocker covers on and the carburetor. Alright, let's get the exhaust manifolds on. last one, right at the very end, up there, up there, up there. That's it. And that's the heat shield we're on. Tighten that. And there we are, that's the heat shield and all. Right. Put that in there. Like that. Let's have a look, see if that's far enough up. It's almost there. I'm going to use the braking oil and a zinc additive just to give her a run in, and then we'll change the oil. We've got most of the plumbing in, just need some new clamps. The battery's goosed, not surprising, like it's over 24-year-old. Got the leads on, got the coil on, we're all ready to rumble. But however, my fuel pump isn't working, and to get to that, a nightmare. So the fuel pump is behind this speaker here. So we pull the carpet back behind the speaker, and what we've got in there is, that's the fuel pump. Over that side's the inertia switch. So the inertia switch is in case there's an accident, a sudden impact will make the switch turn off the fuel pump, so the fuel cuts out. So we're going to do a test, see if there's any power going up to that, and see why the fuel pump isn't working. Right, I've got myself a new battery, just put the new battery on, and I got one of these so I can isolate it if need to be. Right, lights are still on. Let's have a look. Radio's on. That's on demo. Right. So, ignition. I need to do that. Fuel pump. Right. See if it'll crank. Yeah, she cranks. Let's have a go again. Get the light above that. Take that off. Let's have a look. Put the light in there like that. Get that up there like that. What's that? There's something right on the end. Let's do a power check anyway. We're wasting time here. Oh yeah, it's working. Just needed the tap. I think the solenoid was a bit screwed, but it doesn't sound too good. It usually vibrates like it couldn't. Unless it's filled up with carb. Let's see if there's any fuel coming through. Let's have a look. That feels cold. Let's have a look. Any squirting? think it's squirting fuel. Hold up. Yeah. I can see driblets in there, so let's have a look. See. So, this is the first try. You, Ben, go on out. Ben, go out. Go on. Out. Go on. Right, he's gone. Right, first try. Oh, I haven't fixed the air pipe there. There's an air pipe there. And it'll be sucking in too much in there. Be sucking in. Right. So. Right. Try that. Need a bit more juice and a bit of choke, I think. Let's put the choke cable on. Here we go. Timer's set up. Leads are on. Air pipes are blocked. And everything's on. Let's go. Let's give it a bit of choke. Choke's on. Come on, baby. What you got for me? Oh, yes! Oh yes, you beauty! Get in there! Get in there, you beauty! It's alive! It's alive! It's alive! Tuning up now. It's tuning. Bloody hell. Bloody hell. It's buzzing. Something's buzzing. What's the stereo doing on? Oh. It's on demo mode. Cut all the power. That was fucking freaky. The stereo's on demo mode. Shouldn't be playing because it's all off. The lights aren't on under there when I put the thing, so there's no power. Now, there will be power still, won't there? That starter motor keep turning. Was that the buzzing? Wasn't the internal fan? This is yeah. Right, I'm gonna have a brew of my ambition over there, and okay. Something's gone. I thought it was a starter motor, but thinking about it, the water bottle's just there. So that was it. That was it, pressing against it. There's always an understanding. But the stereo, for it to be on. See, I've just put the power on. Turn it on. And we can hear the pump. This is weird. Tuner, it says. Compact disc. So it's on demo mode, so it shouldn't be playing anything. So this is weird. So this piston that came out of here is well rusty. So it looks like I'll have to buy myself a new caliper. So that looks a bit rotten in there, so yep, bite the bullet and buy a new caliper. Right, just by trickery, here's one I prepared earlier, brand new. Oh, and there's the brake pads. Got myself some brake pads, got my new calipers. Let's go and fit it. Bada bing. Right, have these pins here. You get some high melting point grease. Let's lubricate these pins first. Like that. Take the rubber off. Like that, because that's perished. Put new rubber on. Okay, so that in there. Rubber over it. Right. Right. Have this one here. Take that off there. Some high melting point grease. Right. So there we go, brand new brakes on, new caliper, everything brand new, except for the disc, can't afford that yet. Okay, next side. Wakey wakey, shaky snaky. Still got some wiring to do. Still got wiring under there to do. Fans are wired in now. Got a bit of a wobble. So sort that, no worries. Let's tune that carburetor up, set that cam right, should be alright. There's a slight cammy noise here on this side, got a little cammy noise, so it needs re-shimming because it's got a raised cam in it, but otherwise, yeah, should works alright. Oil pressure's good. Yeah, it's up there, the oil pressure. Voltage is alright, average. It won't tick over below 1000. I get that down to the cam. Let's have a look. Let's see what my voltage reading's at. 13.8. That's alright. Yeah, the noise is coming from this bank over here. So I need to shim the cam once again on one side. But otherwise, it's coming along. Still got a bit of a rock there. We're coming to the end of the build. And she's almost there now. She's almost there. So we just need to do the brakes and the prop shaft. So I'm going to do brakes and prop shaft. Let's do the prop first. Right, that's the prop shaft made up. I've just put the bearings in. It's got new bearings, all greased up. A little bit stiff, that one. There's some wear and tear as soon as the grease gets around it. So yeah, that's the prop shaft done. And this is a telescopic prop shaft, like that. And it gives that extra 2 inches for any play that you need. So I need to adjust that, because that there is the speedo reader there. That's it. So the speedo reader is actually touching the vanes on the steel. I don't want that. Need to be away from it by about 1 millimetre or 2. So I can tighten up the prop shaft. Because as you see, it's touching it. Okay, show me. Right guys, that's the Cobra build all over and done with. Be sure to join us on the next adventures. Make sure you subscribe, like the video. If you don't like it, put a thumbs down. If you do like it, put a thumbs up. Happy days. See you on the next adventure.